Fifth grade, Chapter 3, Lesson 6, Decimal Subtraction. So you can use base 10 blocks to help you find the difference between two decimals. So basically yesterday we did addition and today we're going to do subtraction. So we're going to be drawing some pictures again. So it says use base 10 blocks to find 84 hundredths minus 56 hundredths. So it says to model 84 hundredths. So we draw how many longs? 8. We draw 8 longs and how many small cubes? 4. And then 4 small cubes. Then it says, do you need to regroup to subtract? So we were supposed to take 5,600 away from that. Do we have 6 small cubes? No. Okay. So yes, we would need to replace 1 long with 10 small cubes. Okay, so like I just said, we're going to replace 1 long with 10 small cubes. So we're going to get rid of one of our longs and then put how many small cubes? 10, right? Okay, so now how many total small cubes do we have? 14, right? So can we take 14 minus 6? Yes. Okay. So we are going to get rid of how many tenths? How many tenths do we have here, guys? No. 5, right? So we're going to get rid of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put the box and then put in X on. How many small cubes do we need to get rid of? How many small cubes do we? 6, right? So I'm going to take and circle 6 small cubes and put in X on them. So what am I left with when I subtract that out? How many long? Do I have any flats?
No.
No, so I put a 0. How many longs do I have?
1.
2. I have 2 longs. And how many small blocks do I have?
8.
8. Because I got rid of 6, right? So my answer would be what? 28 hundredths. Okay. Draw conclusions. What if you remove the tenths first and then the hundredths? Explain how you would regroup. Number 2, hot problem, synthesize. If two decimals are both less than 1, what do you know about the difference between them? Explain. We know that if the decimals are both less than 1, then the answer would be less than 1. Make connections. You can use quick pictures to subtract decimals that need to be regrouped. Use a quick picture to model 2 and 82 hundredths minus 4, or 1 and 47 hundredths. Subtract the hundredths. Are there enough hundredths to remove? Okay, so basically they drew the 2 flats, 8 longs, and then 2 hundredths. And then it says, are there enough hundredths to remove? Is there enough? Yes or no? No. Okay, so then what they did was they regrouped and they took away 1/10 and made 10 more hundredths, right? Okay, so then it says subtract the tenths. Are there enough tenths to remove? Yes. So then they subtracted what? 4 tenths, right? They circled 4 of them and crossed them off. Then they needed to subtract a flat, right? So they circled it, marked it off, and then they drew a quick picture of the answer. So they would have 1 flat. How many longs? 3 longs. And how many small cubes? 5. So our answer would be 1.35. So 1 and 35 hundredths. Share and show. Complete the quick picture to find the difference. So they went ahead and drew how many? 6 longs and 2 and 200. So they've already taken care of this number, right? Okay. So then they want to get rid of 1800s. Do they have enough hundreds to take away 8? No. So you're going to take this, cross it off, and draw how many more hundreds? 10. Okay. Then, now can we take away 8?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we're going to circle 8 and then cross it out, right? So we took care of the 8. Now we need to take away what? One more 10, right? So I'm going to circle one more 10 and mark it off. And I took care of that. Do I have anything else I need to take care of? No. Do I have any flats? No. So I put 0, decimal. How many longs was I left with? 4. And how many hundreds was I left with? 4. So our answer is?
0.
It's 44 hundredths. Okay, remember, say it as a decimal form. Okay. All right, number 2. How many flats do I need?
3.
So 1, 2, 3. How many longs do I need?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. And how many hundredths? 1. So I took care of this number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then I need to get rid of 1 and 74 hundredths. Do I have enough hundredths to get rid of things?
No.
No. So I need to take one of these longs, mark it off, and draw how many more hundredths?
10.
10. Okay, so I should have a total of how many hundredths now? 11, right? Okay. Now, can I go ahead and take away 4 hundredths now? Yes. So I would circle 4 and draw an X. So I took care of this 4, right? Now, can I take away 7 hundredths? Do I have it, or 7 tenths? Do I have enough tenths? No. So I'm going to have to circle this flat, cross it off, and draw how more long? 10. Now do I have enough to get rid of 7 tenths? Yes. So I'm going to circle 7 of these, right? Mark it off. So I got rid of my 7 tenths, right? Now can I get rid of 1?
Yes.
Yep, 1 flat. So I'm going to circle this 1 flat and mark it off. And I took care of this. Now have I taken care of every single one of those pieces? Yes. So what am I left with? I'm left with 1 decimal. How many long? 6. And how many small cubes? 7. So my answer is 1 and
67 hundredths.
Okay. Number 3. How many longs am I drawing any flats?
No.
No. How many longs am I drawing? How many small cubes am I drawing?
4.
4. Okay. Do I have enough so I took care of this number, right? Okay. Do I have enough small cubes to subtract 7? No. So I have to mark off a long and draw how many small cubes? 10. So now I should have how many? 14, right? Okay. So now can I take away 7? Yes. So I draw my circle, put an X on it, and I took care of my 7, right? Can I mark off 5 longs now? Do I have enough longs to mark off? Yes. So then I'm going to circle 5 longs. and put an X on those. And so I took care of the 5. And then I have 0, so do I have to take care of anything there? No. So what am I left over with? Do I have a flat?
No.
No. So I put 0 decimal. How many longs?
2.
2. And then
4. 8.
7. I have 7 small boxes left for cubes. So 27 hundredths, right? The next one, 93 hundredths. So how many longs do I draw? 9. How many small cubes?
3.
3. So I took care of the first number, correct? Do I have enough small cubes to take away 8?
No.
No. So I have to circle along and draw how many more small cubes? 10. So how many total should I have? 13, right? Okay, 13 small cubes. So now can I take away 8? Yes, so I'm going to circle 8, draw an X through it, so I take care of the 8. Can I take away 3 longs? Yes. Do I have any, and so I took care of the 3. Do I have any longs? I mean, do I have any flats? Sorry. No, so I put a 0 decimal. How many longs do I have? 5. And how many small cubes?
5.
So 5,500. Okay, so we went ahead and drew our 2 and 71 hundredths. Do we have enough small cubes to take away 4? Nope, so we need to get rid of a long and draw 10 more cubes. So we should have a total of 11 small cubes. Now can we take away 4?
Yes.
Yep, so we circle 4, cross them out, and we took care of the 4. Can we take away 3 longs?
Yes.
Yep. So 3 longs, cross them out, and we took care of it. Can we get rid of 1 flat?
Yep.
Yep, circle it, cross it out. Now what am I left with? Oh, we took care of that. So 1 flat, how many longs? 3 longs and 7 small cubes, right? So we drew our 4 and 5 hundredths. Then we need to take away 1 and 61 hundredths. Can we go ahead and take away 100?
Yes.
Yes, so we're going to circle this and cross it off, and we did that part. Can we take away 6 longs? No, because we don't have it. So we're going to circle our flat and draw 10 longs. Now can I take away 6?
Yes.
Yep, I'll take away 6, and I should be left with 4, right? Take away 6, and I'm left with 4. Okay, and then, so I took care of the 6. And then do I need to take away 1 flat?
Yep.
Yep, so I circle it, mark it off. How many flats am I left with? 2. How many longs? 4. And how many small cubes?
4.
My answer is 2 and 4,400. We already drew our 1 and 37 hundredths, and then we need to take away 52 hundredths. Do I have enough small cubes to take away 2 hundredths?
Yep.
Yep, so I circle my 2 and then mark it off. Then do I have enough longs to take away 5?
No.
Nope, so I circle my flat, mark it off, and draw 10 more. And then I need to get rid of how many?
5.
5. Circle them, mark them off. And then I don't need to get rid of any flats, which is good because I don't have any more, right? So I don't have any flats showing, so I put 0, decimal. How many longs do I have? 8. And how many small cubes? 5. So my answer is 8,500. So we read the problem solving, and then we said Bob had 3 and 67 inches of string. He then cut off 2 and 42 inches to make a toy. How much string was left? So we said